Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have my first nail art tutorial in 2020 for you. My very first nail art tutorial, I decided to join into the Facebook group where the theme for this week is snowflakes, and I just received some winter Christmas related plates from Coyle London, and I decided to actually use one of those with the snowflake designs on them. I do hope you will like this video. If you do, then please don't forget to thumbs it up for me. And of course, if you're new here or coming from the other channels that are participating in this collab, then welcome. I hope you will like what you see here and that you will support my channel through 2020. I would really appreciate it, and to do so, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button before you leave. As always, I will have everything linked for you in the description box, and at the end of my video you will also find all the pictures with the manicures that were created for this theme. So thank you so much, Patty, for hosting. I think this was a perfect theme to start off the year, and I'm really excited to use some of my new stuff that I purchased in 2019 and I didn't have a chance to play with it yet. Alright guys, that's all for my rambling. If you have any questions or comments, you know the drill, just please leave it in the comment section and keep watching my tutorial, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.